Hey there, ocean adventurers. Welcome back to another exciting dive into the mysteries of the deep blue sea. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of seahorses. These tiny creatures are more than just adorable. They are full of surprises and unique traits that make them one of the most intriguing species in the ocean. That's right, these tiny knights of the ocean have some incredible secrets to share. From their unusual body structure to their fascinating behaviors, seahorses are truly the knights in shining armor of the underwater realm. First off, did you know seahorses are masters of disguise? They have the remarkable ability to change their color and texture to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. They can change color to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This incredible camouflage ability is not just for show, it's a vital survival skill in the wild ocean. This skill helps them avoid predators and sneak up on prey. Talk about stealth mode. Imagine being able to disappear into the background whenever danger approaches or when you're on the hunt for a meal. But here's where it gets really interesting. Seahorses have a unique way of moving. Unlike most fish that swim horizontally, seahorses swim upright, which gives them a distinctive and somewhat whimsical appearance as they navigate through the water. Unlike most fish, they swim upright. This vertical swimming style is powered by their dorsal fin, which flutters rapidly to propel them forward. Their dorsal fin flutters up to 50 times per second, propelling them forward. It's like having a tiny motorboat attached to their back. And guess what? This rapid movement allows them to maneuver with precision and grace, even in strong currents. It's like having a tiny motorboat attached to their back. And guess what? Seahorses are also known for their unique reproductive behavior. Seahorses are one of the few species where males give birth. That's right, the male seahorse has a special brood pouch where the female deposits her eggs. The female transfers her eggs into the male's brood pouch and he carries them until they hatch. This role reversal is one of the most fascinating aspects of seahorse biology and highlights the unique adaptations these creatures have developed. Talk about taking fatherhood to a whole new level. The male seahorse nurtures the eggs, providing them with oxygen and protection until they are ready to hatch into tiny, fully formed seahorses. Now let's talk about their heads. Seahorses have a horse-like head structure that reduces water resistance, making them efficient predators. Seahorses have a horse-like head structure that reduces water resistance, making them efficient predators. Their long tube-like snouts allow them to suck up tiny crustaceans and plankton with ease. They can suck up tiny crustaceans with their tube-like snouts, almost like a vacuum cleaner. Nom nom. This feeding method is highly efficient and allows them to consume a large number of small prey items quickly. Despite their magical abilities, seahorses face significant threats. Habitat destruction, pollution, and the aquarium trade have put many species at risk. Habitat destruction and the aquarium trade have put many species at risk. But there's hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these enchanting creatures and their habitats. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these enchanting creatures and their habitats. Marine biologists and conservationists are working tirelessly to ensure that seahorses continue to thrive in their natural environments. It's up to us to support these initiatives and ensure seahorses continue to thrive in our oceans. By supporting marine conservation efforts, we can help protect the delicate balance of our ocean ecosystems. So next time you're exploring the underwater world, keep an eye out for these miniature marvels. They may be small, but they play a big role in the health of our oceans. They may be small, but they hold a treasure trove of secrets just waiting to be discovered. Each seahorse encounter is a reminder of the incredible diversity and wonder that lies beneath the ocean's surface. Thanks for joining me on this underwater adventure. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the amazing world of seahorses as much as I have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more oceanic explorations. Your support helps us continue to bring you fascinating content about the wonders of the ocean. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Keep exploring and protecting our beautiful oceans.